Hey folks, Turbine Guy back at you. And if y'all remember, I got neighbors who are quite invasive of our privacy and quite creepy with what they're doing, and they got some cameras out there. So I done a little research and I came up with an idea, and I think my idea just arrived. Let's open it up and take a look at what I got to help solve the problem. What do we have here? Package number one. We got a laser light. These aren't the typical low power, these are a little bit high powered than the regular laser lights, but the neighbors have 3 cameras, and I got 3 lights. Now these lasers are adjustable. That's the neat thing. You can simply spin it right here and adjust the size of the output circle. And they've got a center dot with an adjustable circle. And that's what I liked about this, considering I'm looking to blind a camera with it that's aimed at our property. Now, the product name for this from Civil Laser, C-I-V-I-L, I'll post a link in the description, is the Red Circle Laser Module. Red Circle Laser Module. It's 650 nanometers, which I know is a little small because you'd rather have a little higher if you truly want to block it. But I had a hard time finding one that really wasn't dangerous and that I could leave plugged in all the time. So that's why I settled down on this guy. Output power, 100 milliwatts. Now it says working voltage DC 2.8 to 5.2, but that's how this works. We got the power supply to plug it in to correct for that. Let's see what else we got in there. Go. This looks to be some sort of mounting assembly. And it looks like I've got 2 more of these mounting assemblies. I'm going to have to take a look to see how these work with these. How these work with these. Okay, further examination of the mounting plates is that these collars came with it. These collars screw right in onto here nice. You tighten them up and snug them how you want. You can angle that however you want to. And then you take these collars and slide the wire through. And the laser on. Tighten the set screws. And you're all set to go. Now the interesting thing is, send you a little wrench for tightening up the stand however you need to for aiming it. And they actually send you stuff to mount it right into the wall. So I'm not sure if this will work for me, but I'm going to see. Last but not least, I got 3 of these that came in the same package. Open one of these up quick. It is a power supply. Some sort of dial on it, I'll have to learn what that is. But this power supply is, ta-da, what these laser lights turn into, plug into the wall. So I can run these 24/7 on typical 120 voltage. And that was my key. Now these things ran somewhere around 50 bucks, 60 bucks, 70 bucks a piece. I can't remember off the top of my head. But I got them here, and I got somewhere I think I'm going to install them. I'll show you that in just a minute.